think this event is very, very important because this really not just highlights, showcases, but more importantly, really honors, the people that make Angkas successful, which are our bikers. If it weren't for them, wala po tayong motorcycle taxi industry. So talagang sila naghihirap araw-araw at nagsisumikap araw-araw for wanting to have a better life for them and their families. Alam mo, marami sa kanila dati walang trabaho. Marami sa kanila dati talagang pinapersecute sa daan. Pero tinan mo naman ngayon, nakasu. Di ba? So talagang proud na proud ako sa mga pamilya ko. I really feel na nakita ko yung evolution nila, na evolution ng industriya. Ito yung mga alaga ko and right now, puro mag-graduate na sila sa buhay. Kaya talagang happy ako. So this is our way of saying thank you. Itong tagumpay night na ito is tagumpay nila. Cheers! Cheers!